Covert control does not exist without validation. Validation is the fuel that sustains narcissistic influence. To understand why narcissistic control persists, we must understand the psychological need behind it. Narcissistic personalities rely heavily on external validation, not as a preference, but as a psychological necessity. Validation stabilizes identity. It confirms worth. It regulates emotion. Without it, internal structure weakens. This is why approval, attention, and recognition are not optional in narcissistic dynamics. They are essential in the beginning. Validation is offered generously. Compliments feel genuine. Attention feels consistent. Engagement feels deep. This creates emotional attachment. The mind associates connection with safety. Over time, validation becomes conditional. It is no longer freely given. It responds to alignment. Agreement is rewarded. Independence is quietly discouraged. This shift often goes unnoticed because the withdrawal of validation is subtle. Silence replaces praise. Neutrality replaces warmth. Presence becomes inconsistent. The nervous system reacts. Immediately, humans are wired to seek social stability. When validation disappears, discomfort emerges, confusion, self-doubt, emotional effort. The mind begins searching for resolution. What changed? What did I do? How do I restore connection? This is where control deepens. Behavior adjusts, not because it was demanded, but because validation feels necessary. Narcissistic control does not require commands. It relies on emotional scarcity. When approval becomes rare, people work harder to earn it. Over time, self-expression narrows. Authenticity becomes filtered. The individual adapts to maintain emotional access. Importantly, this dynamic is often unconscious. Many narcissistic individuals are not strategizing control. They are regulating discomfort through familiar psychological patterns. Validation becomes a tool, not because it was chosen, but because it works. Understanding this mechanism is critical, because when validation is conditional, influence becomes persistent, and when approval replaces autonomy, control becomes internalized. In the next video, we will explore how gaslighting subtly rewrites perception and reinforces these dynamics without direct confrontation. Subscribe to Dark Mind Theory and continue exploring the hidden structures of the human mind.